Hi everyone, hope you guys are doing good. Welcome to today's class. Today is Monday and I said we'll be treating cake geometry. You see, cake geometry is very important and I'm going to explain this to us in a very simple way that you understand. We are all adults and we don't have to treat ourselves like we are still in primary school or secondary school, university. So what we'll do is I'm going to explain this in a very simple term that you understand. See, cake geometry is a very important thing. Cake geometry is when you want to create your template. You know, you want to create your round, square, any shapes. So it has to something to do with shape, shapes. Now, these shapes are very important. What I'm about to explain now doesn't have anything to do with if you are doing fondant. If you are doing whipped cream, buttercream, ganache, fondant, this thing I'm about to explain is for all of us because it's one of the things that some of us don't know about. That's why we discover that when you decorate your cake or when you trim your cake, you notice that you are not satisfied with what you just did, or you have been having difficulties with how to create some templates. So I'm going to show you a very simple one. Now, but the first one we'll be looking at, we have different shape, but we are going to start with round. If we can do this one today, maybe by next week Monday, we will do another shape, and if we do not finish it, we'll continue next week. But I want you to pay full attention to this my video. I want you to watch it very because this is very important to us. Cake geometry is what is very important. It's very important. So if you want to work on them, you want to create your template, you need your table, you need your compass, you need your ruler. You need all these things to create your template, and whatever, maybe you want to use straw board, you want to use cardboard, depends on you, but it's very important. So as you are looking at this video now, I want you to pick up your table and then work with me as I'm about to start. So before one, this one, we have a lot of numbers at the back of it. Yes, we have a lot of numbers. And if you look at your table, you will see that you have a lot of some numbers before one, or before you look at your two, before you get to two on your table, you can see that we have some numbers at the back of the two before you get to it. Now, they have what we call them in geometry. So before, these are them. Before one, we have 0.25. We have 0.5. We have 0.75. We have one. Yes. So we have what, and some of us call this. Let me give it to the way you understand it. If I said I'm going to explain it in a very simple way that you will understand. Now we can call this 1/4. You can call this half. You can call this 3/4. And this is one. You get it now? I believe you should understand this very well. This, according to my this explanation, you should understand this. So now let's pick this guy. Let's pick this guy. So now this guy, 0.25 plus 0.25 is going to be this 0.5, which is half, which is half. Now we pick this guy here, 0.5 plus 0.5 is equals to 1. Now we pick this guy and this guy, the both of them, let's pick them together. 0.25 plus 0.75 is equals to 1. Yes. See, what I'm trying to explain to you here is that if whenever you pick a number, if you pick among these numbers, you pick 0.25. You see, by the time you take 0.25 round, what I mean by this is circle. You see, this circle like this is divided into two parts. Wow, this is one, this is another one. So whenever you take your circle round, you arrive at times 2 of anywhere you put your compass, where you set your pencil. So if you are saying you want to get a circle of 0.25, 0.25, and you take 0.25 round, you arrive at 0.5. You will not arrive at this at all, because it will multiply it times 2. This is going to multiply itself times 2. So if you are doing, let me set it for you now. If you are doing a 5-inch template, give me a 5 inches template. Give me a 5 inches template. Now we all know that this 5 is what you want to remove from this. Now let's put our 5 here. So you see this 5 that you are looking at it, according to the explanation I gave here, I said if you take this number round, it will arrive at 0.25. You see this 5 now, same thing. If you take 5, you set your compass and a pencil, you set it, it will multiply itself. It will come to 10, because you already take 5. Now you divide itself, this place will not be 5, this place will not be 5, so now arrive as 10. So what you should do is you divide this 5. Now this 5, when you divide it, you now have 2.5, because remember that when you divide 5 into 2, you have 2.5. Now you have 2.5 in two places, which you also call 2.5. You get my point? You can call it 2.5, or you call it 2.5. Now if you take this 2.5 round, now it will now be 2.5 here, 2.5 here, you arrive at 5. This is a very simple logic. I'm not going to prolong the matter too much. I want you to digest it a little bit before we move to another class, before we move to another dimension. So look at this very well, because I'm going to set assignments now that I want you to draw your template, and then you are going to give me your answer. Thank you very much for your time. Have a wonderful day.